Hi there, today, we gonna teach you how to print stickers by using Canva on Windows. Firstly, please go to canva.com. Secondly, create your sticker design by choosing the label size. Here I choose 2 by 2 inches, you can change the size to the label size you had. Then, you can now create your own stickers. Please remember Jiose is a thermal machine, which can only print black, white and gray colors, so you need to change the color as well. Now, you can save and download the sticker you created by clicking Share, Download, PDF print after finishing designing. Next step, we need to create a new label size if there is no corresponding size on your computer. Click on Start, Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners to find out Jiose. Remember to turn on and connect the printer before, otherwise, the printer status will show offline. After that, click on Manage, Printing Preferences. Print Setup, New, to set up the label size. Finally, hit Print to print the sticker. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or ideas, please contact our service team. Bye.